Random facts you need to know. Dreaming that you are flying can mean that you are in a good phase of life. I bet you don't know the answer to the last question. At what age did you find out that you can't put conditioner on your hair roots? We use our cell phones every day, but it never appears in our dreams. 1 in every 12 people has the same cell phone. Anyone who likes the smell of gasoline, nail polish, or acetone has a strong tendency to use drugs. If mankind started with Adam and Eve, does that mean we are related? People who subscribe this profile become 90% smarter over time.